Why hello there, Mr. Atheist. Welcome back, for round 3.
Is debate a sin?
A constructive and productive debate is not a sin.
We took off last time with me explaining my explanations for why I do not believe in absolute truth or objective morality. What is point true for one person is not true for another. What is right and true for one culture or society is wrong and false for another culture or society. No one or two people agree with each other when it comes to a basis for their objective morality or what is absolutely true. Some people say abortion is evil, some people say it is a woman's choice. So how can we come to a conclusion about all of this?
Truth is that which corresponds and correlates well with reality to the highest degree and percentage. There can only be one way to truth claims. Only one way and one exact truth. Answer: in order to understand absolute or universal truth, we must begin by defining truth. Truth, according to the dictionary, is conformity to fact or actuality, a statement proven to be or accepted as true. Some people would say that there is no true reality, only perceptions and opinions. In general, absolute truth is whatever is always valid, regardless of parameters or context. The absolute in the term connotes one or more of, a quality of truth that cannot be exceeded, complete truth, unvarying and permanent truth. It can be contrasted to relative truth or truth in a more ordinary sense in which a degree of relativity is implied.
Well, like you stated in your last video, you said that the sun is a real thing and is 100% absolutely hot, while in reality, the sun could be an optical illusion.
In philosophy, absolute truth generally states what is essential rather than superficial, a description of the ideal, to use Plato's concept, rather than the merely real which Plato sees as a shadow of the ideal. Among some religious groups this term is used to describe the source of or authority for a given faith or set of beliefs, such as the Bible. In science, doubt has been cast on the notion of absolutes by theories such as relativity and quantum mechanics. Attempts to tie together all the known facts about the universe into a single unified theory, one example is string theory, could be seen as efforts to discover absolute truth about this set of facts. In pure mathematics, however, there is said to be a proof for the existence of absolute truth. A common tactic in mathematical proofs is the use of reductio ad absurdum. The logical proof of the statement, there exists an absolute truth, is almost trivial in its simplicity. Suppose we assert the negation of the statement, that is, that there is no such thing as absolute truth. By making that assertion, we claim that the sentence "there exists no absolute truth" is absolutely true. The statement is self-contradictory, so its negation, "there exists an absolute truth," is true. This proof only applies to logic and the law of non-contradiction.
Well, now, on to objective morality. We have gained our morality from this amoral existence due to our evolutionary past. We needed to help each other to survive better.
Objective morality is the idea that a certain system of ethics or set of moral judgments is not just true according to a person's subjective opinion, but factually true. Proponents of this theory would argue that a statement like "murder is wrong" can be as objectively true as 1 + 1 = 2. We know rape is completely wrong in all cases, no matter who you are or what you have done. We know it is evil and inhumane to rape a fellow human being, no matter the circumstances. So according to the basis which is our conscience, which has a universal moral code, moral law, written upon our hearts, each single human being has the same outsets within our and themselves. Two things we can agree on is rape and unjust. Murder is unjustified, which completely throws out the theory altogether that there is no God. Please do not be deceived by falsehoods. There exist objective moral truths. Let's start with what objective means given the word's versatility. In philosophy, objective refers to existence apart from perception. Object independent of perception does not change with our feelings, interpretations, or prejudices. Applied to moral values, if they are objective, then they are discovered, not invented, at all whatsoever.
But,